Do you want to make high quality YouTube videos but you think you need an expensive camera? Guess what? You don't. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create high quality YouTube videos with just your phone. If that sounds like what you're interested in, you want to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first tip I'll be sharing with you is to use good lighting. And one of the ways you can get good lighting for your YouTube video is by natural light. When I say natural light, I mean the light from your window side. Most people don't know that natural light from their window is very good for your YouTube video. If you want to get high quality YouTube video through good lighting, you need to use the natural light. Place your phone on your window side, open your curtain and stand close to your window side, or you sit on your bedside if your bed is close to the window, and you start filming. If your bed is not even close to the window, you can use a chair to get close to your window. As long as the curtain is open, everywhere will be bright and your phone is going to give you that high quality video that you need, that when people see you, they will think you are filming with a good or an expensive camera. The second way to get good lighting for your phone is to film indoors. When you want to film indoors, you can use your ring light to film your YouTube content, just as I'm doing right now. Sometimes I use the natural light to film my content, or sometimes I use my ring light. Right now, I'm currently using ring light. So it's either you use your natural light from your window source or you use your ring light to film your content. And also, if you cannot afford ring lights, you can get this affordable LED light. Those are very affordable for you to get. You must not get all those expensive ones. There are low budget ring lights that you can use to film your YouTube content, or LED light that's also affordable that you can use to film high quality YouTube videos with your phone. The second tip I want to share with you is to stabilize your phone. Some of you, when you want to film, your hands will be shaking. When you film a video and the video is shaking, people will not get the message you are trying to pass to them. That is why for you to start filming high quality YouTube videos, you need to have a tripod. There are different types of affordable tripods you can use to film your YouTube content. You can either use even full stand. They also have full stand that you can place your phone for you to start filming, or you can even use stack of books just to place your phone and start filming your content, and your video is going to come out in high quality that best suits your video. I'm telling you the truth, all these I'm measuring, I've tried them before and it worked for me, and it will definitely work for you. The third tip I'll be sharing with you is to improve your audio quality. You don't want to film in an environment that is noisy, because when you film in an environment that is noisy, people will not get the message you are passing to them. They will be distracted. So you can get affordable wireless microphone to film your video, or you can use the lapel microphone to film your video, or even Bluetooth mic to film your video. You must not get the expensive microphone. There are cheap microphones you can use to film your video, and everything will come out well, and your background noise will not be heard, and your video will be standard as well. The fourth tip I'll be sharing with you is to frame and angles. Shoot at eye level for natural look. And also, before you shoot a video with your phone, you need to take different shots from different angles from your room to know the perfect position that suits you when filming your YouTube content. Angle and frame help you to have a very good high quality video when filming. As the fifth tip I'll be sharing with you is editing hacks. There are different ways you can edit your YouTube video or any video at all, and these are the app you have to use. You can use a CapCut, you can use an InShot. All these, they have paid version. The CapCut app is what I use. They have the paid version, which give you access to more features. They also have the free version, but let me tell you, I use the free version. If you feel you are buoyant enough, you can get a paid version. Even with the free version, your video is going to come out in high quality, and it's going to export in 4K for you, and it's going to look crispy, and it's going to look beautiful, just the same way a normal video should be when filming professionally. And with CapCut, you can add your text, which make your video to pop out very well. You can add audio, color correction. All this make your video to look perfect and in high standard as well. And the sixth tip I'll be sharing with you is to use a non-copyright music for your YouTube videos. If you want to get non-copyrighted music for your videos, you can use the YouTube audio library. The YouTube audio library, all the music there, they are free. You don't pay for it. They are non-copyrighted music. That is what I use in most of my videos. If you feel that you are buoyant enough, as I always say, you can use the Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound have nice music, copyright and non-copyright. The 7 tips I want to share with you is for you to always clean your camera lens. Yes, it's very important for you to clean your camera lens. Sometimes you might keep our phone in our table or in the bedroom. There are dirt that are flying towards it, or maybe food particles or anything at all. That is why you need to clean your camera lens for you to get that crispy and high quality video with your phone. Is very important. The 8 tips I'll be sharing with you is to have a good background. When I say you must have a good background, I'm not telling you to go and be in the studio. With a plain background, your video is going to come out well, because when your background is too busy, there is curve, there is spoon, there is different thing at the background of your video, it will distract a lot of people to watch that video. Or sometimes you can just blur the background so that it's going to blur it, and just positioning yourself alone, that is talking to your viewers. So if you feel probably you are buoyant enough, or you just want to make a little adjustment to your background, you can add a furniture to your background, probably like a flower vase, or probably like a little wardrobe where you hang your clothes. This also help, but don't make your background to look busy with a lot of things, because it's going to distract your viewers. So let's do a quick recap of what I said in the beginning of this video. The first tip I share with you is that 1, you need a good lighting. Second, you need a steady shoot. Thirdly, you need a clear audio. Fourthly, a proper frame. Fifthly, smart editing. While the sixth one, I also said you need a non-copyrighted music for your video. The seventh one, I said clean your camera lens. While the last one is to have a good background for your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content creation tips like this. And if you have not watched my previous video, please do well to watch them, as you also find them interesting. So guys, if you have any video suggestion you want me to do for you on this channel, leave a comment in the comment section. And from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Use good lighting, natural lights. Oh, it won't kill you. Frame and angles.